Hey guys, wanna know how to update your PUBG Mobile application or your game to the latest version? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. Super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, you can update your PUBG Mobile game through two different means. So first up is just simply opening up the game, and once you've opened up the game, right before the game's main menu loads, you should be provided with an update prompt. So you can update it by clicking on update, and after that your game will be updated in a while. So next thing you can do is just simply head towards the Play Store. Open up Play Store or App Store if you are on Android, head towards the search bar and then typing PUBG Mobile. Now once I run it here, you can see PUBG right here. So simply click on its icon for more details, and for me it says play right here, but instead of play, if you have new update, just simply select update right here, and that's it. After that your PUBG Mobile should be updated after a while, then you can play it normally just like before. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos.